Hey guys, it's Pete from MyJewelryBunch.com. Let's see how fast we can change the movement in this watch. This watch has a bad battery operated or quartz movement. It is a Y121E, and we're going to swap it out with a brand new movement. So let's see how long it takes us. So some of the tools that you're going to need are a case press tool to put the back cover back onto the case. You're going to need a set of hand removing tools. Those work best to remove the hand. Just use a piece of plastic on the dial so that you don't scratch it. And a case opener. A knife type case opener will work well to pop off most back covers. As well as a set of hand pushers. Hand pushers are used to push the hands back onto the center posts of a watch. And when you're doing that, just follow the way I've done it in the past and it should work well for you. And let's not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And let's get started and see how long it takes me to change this movement out. First I want to do is separate the band so that I have easy access to the movement. Okay, band's open. Let's pull out the movement now. Push right there. Pull out the stem and the crown. Pull out the retaining ring. Flip over the movement. And there is our watch. Now we have to get the hands off of this watch. I'm going to use my hand removers wherever they are. Being careful not to bend the hands. All the hands are off. With the hands off, let's get the movement off of the dial. This should just kind of pry off. Perfect. And the new movement goes in place. If we're lucky, we can get this in. Just like so. Now the beauty part of this is we don't have to worry about setting a date since it's a time-only watch. So let's get the hands in place. I start with the hour hand and we're going to place that at the 9 o'clock position. Using my push tool, I'll gently push in the hour hand so that it's seated correctly. And now that's set at about 9 o'clock, right on the money. Perfect. Let's get the minute hand on the watch. I'm going to set that to the 12 position. That looks good. Now I'm going to take my other pusher and gently push that down. Making sure I have enough clearance. Last but not least, we put the second hand on. We'll grab our hand pusher, use a flat end put that there. I'm just going to make sure this hand is straight. Just like so. We've got our watch case. No, I don't need debris. Got to throw the movement in so that the 3 position is at the hole on the watch case. We'll take our original crown and stem and we'll insert that into the movement, just like so. Now I know the old movement uses a 377, so we'll grab a new 377. Battery. Take that off. Put that on the watch. Flip it over. And it's working. We like seeing that. Put the case ring back in. We're going to close that up on the case press. And the case is all sealed up. Watch is still working. We're going to set the time. It is 1:44. 1:44. And we're off and running. Last thing to do is get the watch back together. So let's put the pin back in. This has a case tube, or a band tube, so we're going to put the band tube in that end of the case. Going to put that over here like so. Going to take the watch pin, the band pin, and stick it in there. Grab my handy dandy pliers and gently squeeze that into place. And it looks like that took us less than 10 minutes to do. And we now have a working watch. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe and you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, hit that notification bell, and every time I put a new video up, which is 1, 2, or 3 times a week, you'll get a notification that I've uploaded again. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.